Crafty Angels, welcome back to my channel. And today I am so honored to be working with some printables from Miss Lila, who is RainDrop Lila, digitals on Etsy, and she is RainDrop Lila on YouTube. She has great printables in her shop. I've already seen them. I am a guest designer for her, and I have her lavender kits, and we'll see what we have. Okay, I had thought about making a shaker card, but I want to try to veer away from that right now. And let's do a journal. And I also want to thank Miss Lila for giving me the opportunity to work with her printable. Okay, so this I'm going to use for one page. This is going to be my second page. There's some other ones in the kit that I want to use. So it's not going to all be the same. This one I want. I don't want to make too many pages. I have the ephemera and everything to go with it. I want this page because look at that. How she made it look like it has texture on it. Woohoo! So I'm looking to see if I can find a cover. And I got line paper here that I want to use. Oh, I like this one. So we're going to use this one. And I definitely use that one. And now I'm going to look for pages like this to where they could be journaled on. Okay. Well, all of them can, but I just want to have the variety. So we have that. Her Polaroids. Let me clip this back together so I know what kit this is from when I go put the links down below. And this one is from Lavender May Backgrounds. Okay, so this is the backgrounds. Here's her Polaroids. You're going to definitely need butterflies, but not at this point. And here's the other page. This is my ink was running out. Is running out, I should say. Now, I'm going to give you a little story on what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I'm also going to take this page because I want to. Now I'm going to go through this part, the Lavender May papers. See what I mean? This is, look, that's the page I just showed you guys right here. Well, this is different, a little bit different. I want to take that one too. Now, here's the one I just showed you guys, the purple. See? That's the one with the brown. And there's the other purple. So, I got a page out of that one. I'm going to clip this one back together. This is more Polaroids. And the envelopes, I might use them. I might not. I already have some pre-cut, so I'm going to leave that where it's reachable. And then we're going to go here to more background printables. And let's see. See, I got them blue. I got them brown. Oh, I want this. Now I'm pulling from all the kits, okay? And some of this stuff I have pre-cut, so we'll see what we will do with it. Okay, we got all our pages. Now I want to see. It's originally supposed to be brown. I'm looking for my cover. Let me see. Oh, I want that page. Maybe this for cover? Or this one? I know I've seen one with hearts. See? This blue. I got a different colors. You see, we got the purple hearts. Oh, I want this for cover instead. So I have it in purple and I have it in brown. I'll go with the purple one. Okay, so let's do this and get this put together. So I'm going to put the ephemera pack off to the side. And we're going to pull all our pages in. We're going to put this to the side. I have some cardstock on the side also, just in case. So this is going to be our cover. I don't think I'll get both panels unless I cut it. No, it will wrap. I may have to cut the book a little, but I don't want to. No, we got it. Perfect. Okay, let's glue that on. Get our glue. I'm using a tape runner for now. Uh-oh. Tape runner went bye-bye. So that one's no good. Do I have some backup? Which I usually do. But when I need it, as you can see, I got my water. I usually have backups. Where's my... Ooh, Pearl Lance, y'all. Pearl Lance. If I can't find my other ones, we're just gonna have to go with the glue, which is okay with me. But I have another idea as a backup, and it's right in front of me. I'm gonna pick up these pearls, and we can get the other backup that I have. Okay, we're gonna use this. Let me take a sip of water. We're going to use this double-sided. So I'm going to put this to the side here. And we're going to get this going. Pull out my little ruler So, how you guys been? I'm putting the tape about an 1/8 to 1/4 inch apart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick one side on, then the Now this is my first project for her, and I love the printables that I have from her. I met her, um, I did a collab with Kara Brandon, an organization collab, and I won. So I got to pick a printable from her. Now I need a little piece that goes right in here, and I have just a roll to do that. Okay, put that up there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ruler and burnish all of this. Okay, I'm going to burnish it. And then I'm going to take my pen here. I have a pokey tool, but I can't find it. Just my luck. I'm going to do one side at a time. Now, it doesn't have to be perfectly straight. But we'll see. I know I get quiet a lot. Okay, so I'm going to do this side first. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it this way to where I can line up this. And I know people put glue on top to give it a wiggle room, but I don't. I try to get on as even as I can. There. And we're gonna fold that over. And we're gonna get this side undone. Oh, it is very, very windy here. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take this. What I'm gonna do is rub my fingers on the spine part here. I can also take my ruler and do the same thing because I want it to get right up there. And then I'm going to start doing this to even it out. Like that. Let me put this in here. Now, this is going to be my front cover and the other one's going to be my back cover. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm probably going to use a mixture, maybe some glue, maybe just a tape. But what I want to do right now is get my pages folded. See, I can't see the edge, so I can fold it. I may have to cut them down a little bit to fit in the book, but that's okay. That wasn't supposed to sound like that, y'all. Now, this is going to be for me to jot down, you know, how my day is going, what projects I have planned for the day, you know. Like for my live videos, I can put a list of what supplies that I'm going to be using and things like that. And I'm also going to put her link on my community tab, so y'all can go there also, and you know, anytime y'all want digitals, y'all can go there. Now, I have no idea of what else she sells in her shop. I might know by the next video. I don't know. And if I can find out, I will surely let y'all know. Now, my next step is to move these out of my way for now, is decide how I want my pages to go. So we're going to do a plain and then a color or pattern. Plain, color, pattern. Line, plain, paper, plain, and pattern. So here we go. Whoops. This one's not opened. Let's see. We got our line. We need our plain. And then our pattern. See how it's starting to come out here? I will trim that. So we start with our line again. Our plain. And it'll probably be a plain pattern. Oh, we got the mirror. Okay. So now we need lined. Or we can do textured. Let's do a textured. Okay. Put textured in. And then a plain one. Now I have just this one left for lined. So plain. Pattern. This is our book. So we're going to go in and put our pages in here. Now I'm going to take my trimmer, or better yet, let me take my ruler. I'm going to clip this all together. Okay, and I'm going to trim all this here, but I want to see how far in my book I want my pages. So they come right about there. So I'm going to go in a little more. Right here at the bottom line here, top line here, and I am going to go in right about there. Okay, so it's about an inch, maybe a 1/4 inch. I'm not sure. So I got my clip, I'm going to put that one there. I'm going to get this big mama jama. Put that one. No, that's too big. That's all right. I need one more of these, a couple of more of these. So I got one right here. One more. There we go. Okay, dokie. Now I'm going to put this aside. And then I'm going to find my longer ruler I had earlier today. You know what? I want to add some music paper in there. Well, I can't find that ruler. So, ooh, we're having a windstorm, y'all. So, if y'all hear me go, woo, that means the wind is hitting. And it's hitting hard. So, I want to go in right about there. So, let me draw a line with a pencil. Or as they say in French, a crayon. That one's not working. It needs to be sharpened. That way I stay right on that line when I'm cutting. I wish I can find my longer ruler. This one. Yep, this one's a little bit longer. It's not a ruler, but it'll work. Now all I need to do is find my blade. My bladey datey 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 datey. Let's see. There we go. Let me find a cutting mat. Okay, now I need just down here. Okay, let's remove that. Put it in a little bin to the side. And then we're going to move this over here. And we're going to come in with this one. Let me turn it this way because it's easier for me. And then I'm going to bring this one in and cut that one right about there. There. Now, move that out. Now what I'm going to do is test it. Perfect fit. I'll put this down a little more, like so. Now, which way do I want to bind it? I don't know. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to decorate the pages first. As I said, I already have a lot of the ephemera cut out. Okay, so I'm going to pull that all out of my bucket. And let's see, we need to make some pockets. Let me see. I don't think the envelopes are gonna fit. Oh, maybe. Let's test one and see. Now what I'm gonna do is find my ruler that I covered. Put that right here. And take my bone folder. And just go right along that to give it a little. I have a scoreboard, but I don't want to pull it out and put too much things on my desk at the moment. So I'm also trying to show that you don't need a scoreboard to do this. You can use anything. I've used the tops of a pen, an ink pen. I've used pokey tools. Okay, let's fold this like this. This up like so. Oh, this one's going to take up the whole page. And we can put stuff inside and have a closure there. Maybe put a little magnet there. So I'm going to seal that with glue. Fold this side in. And fold that side in. Now, I want to put a magnet on here. Let me see if I can find the one that's going to match this. I think this one's the closest that I'm going to come. That one's too light. Nope, this one's going to be the closest. So, what I'm going to do, let me see where I want to place my magnet. Right about there. Nope, in a little bit. There. Okay, so I'm going to lift this, put my glue there. Then I'm going to let it dry before I put it on the page. And put a little bit weight on it. Let that dry. Now, what I want to do is take some of the Polaroids. Okay. I might have to cut them down a bit. I don't know. No, I don't. I want to put it right about here. And let's see. Put a tag in here like so. And the word down here says hopeful. So that's what I'm going to do. But first, I want to put this, back this with some cardstock. Okay. So I'm going to go in again with my paper and my double-sided tape. I'm not going to tape the whole thing. Y'all, if y'all can hear that wind, it's real windy. Well, I didn't put it as close. I just spaced them out. I don't know how far apart. I couldn't tell you. Again. And just peel it off. Got to make sure the the tape is just as shiny as the paper. The backing of it. Since it already has a border, I'm not going to go with a border. Like that. Then I'm going to take my big scissors and cut it. I'm going to do the same thing to the tag. And the row of tickets that I'm going to put. But those I'm going to use glue, wet glue. So now we're going to glue we got our Polaroid done. So now what we want to do is get our tag. And our tickets done. Let's see. I think she has the Polaroids to match the tickets. If not, we'll just go with any floral. Okay, we'll go with this one. I'm gonna glue down the whole thing. Okay. Gonna turn this. And do that. And that. Now we're gonna cut these out. We got that. I'll put this to the side. That over there. I'm going to take my smaller scissors and go in and trim the parts that I didn't cut. Okay, let's clean all this out. Now, I'm not going to put too much on the pages because I just want to give room for writing. Okay, we can put that in there. Let's glue this side, that, and go up. Now, before I do that, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. I'm going to cut out a thumb notch. Like so. So we can put our tag in there. And put it like this. And you see our tag can go like that. Now, and then we can fold our tickets and put our tickets in there. Okay, now I'm going to glue some more tickets to cardstock. I'm just going to do 3. And I'm not inking anything because the edges are already the color I want them. So I'd rather leave it as is. You can do that if you like, but I don't want to. Okay, we're going to cut up this side. Like that. Put that to the side. Grab these small scissors. Now, if y'all do these projects, I have a group on Facebook that y'all can join to show what y'all have done. If y'all do anything that I do, any projects, do it your own way, your own style. It doesn't have to be the way I'm working it. Okay, now this I'm going to make a tuck spot. So I'm going to go here, down this side and up. So down here, down this side, and up this side. Put this over here, like so. And I'm going to take this one and make a little page tab. But I want to put it on cardstock first. There might be a part 2 to this, guys. I don't know yet. So we're going to take this piece and glue this one here to this. For our page tab. I need another one so I can make a Polaroid and put in here. And this is going to be our page tab here. So we're going to glue both sides and just take it and wrap it like so. So let's get more cardstock out here and do our Polaroid. And this one I'm going to put Blossom on the bottom. I'm going to leave the white area on. Wait a minute. I just got an idea. Oh, I like that. That makes it pop a little bit. Okay, we're going to do it. And then we're going to take it before we glue it to cardstock, and we're going to put this on right here. And then we're going to glue this to cardstock. Okay. Got our Polaroid here. Now, uh-oh. Let's check our pocket. I think I'm not going to put the pocket on the first page. I want to put it, the envelope, I want to put it somewhere else. Okay. Now, where's our piece of paper? Oh, that one's even better. So we're going to take this and cover that. I'm going to need 2 pieces so we can cover the top one. Okay. Now we're going to do the top. Let that dry. And let's see. I'm going to take this page here. Let me put these somewhere where I can find it later. And we're going to take one of these, go across, and trim it there. And I'm going to make a pocket. Again, we're going to need our cardstock. Perfect. Let me clear this out. Okay. I'll put that there. I don't want to put too much because I want y'all to be able to journal here, or y'all can take some paper, write on the paper, and glue it in the back. Okay, I'm going to do our pocket. It's a nitty bitty one. There. Let the pocket dry a little bit more. I'll put it over there. I'll come back to this one. Maybe take another one and make another tag, page tab. Okay, this time I'm just going to put it on the paper. Straight on the paper. And we're going to measure that. There. Oh, wrong paper. Yep. And we're going to tab that over. Now, I'm just going to do this, get a tag. And a little kitty cat. And we're going to put that in the pocket, but I want to stick it on, you guessed it, cardstock. So we've got our kitty. And will this one be big enough? Just big enough for the tag. Okay. We're going to glue this one on. Oh, I don't like that. So we're going to glue this one on here. Now, if y'all want to, you can use white cardstock or write on a piece of paper and do the same thing. You can use these as journaling cards. Now this one, I want to round the corners. And I'm going to do the same thing for my tag once I have it cut. Okay. There. Let's move this out. I feel like the kitty cat needs something, but I don't know what. We're going to come back to that a bit later. And put the tag in here. Like so. And I'm going to say, okay, Cross the Angels. I want to thank you for your support. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please be kind, be caring, be supportive, be positive, be crafty, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Stay tuned for part 2.